What's going on YouTube? It's the AZ392. As you can tell, the Demon 170 has finally made it to the garage after so long, but it's here, and I'm gonna do a little walkthrough and explain everything that came on the car when we bought it. So that's kind of this video. But as you can tell, no upgraded carbon fiber wheels, and that's just a choice I thought was good, because if you damage one of them, you have to replace all of them, and if you want to replace all of them, it is $50,000. So basically half the price of the car just to replace the tires. So I went with the standard ones, and they still look great. You still get the Mickey Thompson tires on it. So I mean, they're still drag tires, and it came in this awesome Go Mango orange. And on the video, it looks really cool, but in person, it looks even different. So that's why I don't know if the camera's gonna really pick up how beautiful this thing is. But also, if we come inside, or I'll open the hood real quick so we can get some videos and some stuff. And what makes this car extremely special is going to be that 6.2 liter supercharged V8, but not no regular V8. It's upgraded, it's forged internals, you know, it's built, it's got the green belt. Anytime you see that, you know it's going to be a fast car. And even on the air intake, like, this thing is massive. We've opened up the TRX before, and you guys know, like, the TRX has a big boxy air intake. Like, this thing is just sucking all the air it can get with 1,025 horses. And you get the Demon emblem up there, which is cool. It's probably still a little hot, but all these big little, like, coolant lines, stuff. I mean, it's really cool how they just slammed this thing in here. But 1,025 horsepower, 0 to 60 in 1.6 seconds. And a quarter mile time, I think, of just under 9 seconds. So this thing really can get pushing. You know, as you can tell, alcohol injected. I'll stand out of the way. But it also came with, this is like an option too. You can put like the satin grill on it, or have like the color match to the paint. And I think it's just a good little, like, you know, finish to have it in a different color. But we're gonna go and check out the interior. I left all the wrappers, stickers, all that stuff on it for now, you know. Just want to keep it as preserved for a minute as I can. As you can tell, it's got 16 miles on her. So I mean, basically only shipping miles. And it's got these, I think they're upgraded. They're leather Alcantara seats. So not just standard cloth ones, but it's got the demonic seats too, and the red seat belts. So that's a nice little feature. And it doesn't have like the rear seat delete or anything like that, but that's kind of it. I'm gonna start it up right now, and I think I'm gonna rev one time, but if you guys watched the video before, this thing has just set off the fire alarms. So I'm gonna start. I'll leave it open too so we can hear it. And I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to hear me too well, but so loud just started up. It's not really too much of a cold start anymore because I've been started up today and everything, but it's still so loud just hearing it in the garage. And it's got no fuel. Actually, I'm just gonna put the clip of me revving it before in this video so you guys can see how loud it truly is. So I don't gotta do it again. But today, I'm gonna go pick up some gas for it. It runs on E85, so that's what we're gonna put in it. Because right now, here, I'll bring the camera inside so you can see. So guys, I'm gonna show you right now, like, that feature that shows you the ethanol percentage in the car. I'm gonna just turn it on. It's kind of got these awesome features like on the dash, but we're gonna activate this drag mode. Just no, you go to drive mode to see the power. See, it says 900 right now, and like when you put the E85 in it, it will switch over and it'll slowly like jump to 1,025 horsepower. And as you can tell, it says red key in use. But I think you can like custom all this stuff and put it in like some whatever you feel like driving it in. Did a video of us like cruising around in it, kind of getting the feel and driving video. But I hope you enjoyed. all there was to this car. And like, comment, subscribe.